This is a Korean brand and it's from the company called Lotte, and as you can tell, the packaging is so cute, and the size of this can is 8.45 ounces, and there's no caffeine, no preservatives, and it's made in Korea. And if you can see in the back, here is the nutrition facts. It's 130 calories, and you can see everything that's in here. This tastes really good. I know that a lot of people like this. I do believe they make ice cream or a popsicle in this drink flavor, so it's very delicious. There's a pretty big company in Korea and they have a variety of different things. This drink, they have it in different flavors also. If you do not like the yogurt taste, they do have a strawberry, I believe melon, apple, and this original one. I'm not sure exactly which other ones, but I've tried the strawberry, and the strawberry is really good, and it has like a yogurt / strawberry taste. They do sell this in different sizes, so if you don't like this small one, if you would like more, then you can purchase a bigger size. It's a great substitute instead of soda if you're feeling something different. Instead of Coke or Sprite, this can be something that you can try out, because it does have like a sweet flavor to it / a carbonation of yogurt. So yeah, it's a great drink. I usually crave this drink after eating something salty, so whenever I want something kind of light and sweet, then I would substitute this instead of the soda. Because the can is so small, I think it's great that you could put this in your backpack or your purse, or also when you go out for picnics, this is a great drink because it wouldn't take up too much room in the bag, so it's great to have when you go out. Usually I like drinking this drink cold, so I put it in the refrigerator, but you don't have to. But if you leave it in the refrigerator, it tastes a lot better. I believe all ages can drink this, which is great. And this soda actually reminded me of slightly like a cactus cooler. This is how it looks like once you pour it on a spoon. Sorry, I drank most of it, so there's only a little bit left, but it has more of like, it kind of looks like a creamy soda. As you can see, it's like creamy. Looks like yogurt. This is thin and lightweight, so it's easy to hold and it's not heavy at all like regular size canned sodas. So I think that's a good I think this is a good size to have in your purse or in your car. And if you look at it, it is just like a regular soda can, so you just open it and then the drink comes out. This comes in a pack of 6 usually, and I usually buy this for maybe about like $6. I don't specifically remember, but if you look in the description box below, I can give you more detailed information. I really love this drink. It's one of my favorites, and I love to purchase this like over and over. Thanks again for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure to write below, and I hope to see you on the next video, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.